everyone. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the this retro microwave oven. As you can see right there, I was in need of a quick microwave, so I just looked online and I seen this retro one, which I thought it was pretty cool. It comes in vinyl black and blue, red, or cream soda, it says over here, so I guess it's that one. But I got the red one since I thought it would go a little well with my room and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. So this is a 0.7 cubic feet microwave, and it gives out about 700 watts of power. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and take a look at how it looks. Okay, so I just cut the tape from around this box, so let's go ahead and open it and see what we got here. So first thing, you open it up, you get I guess that's the spinning wheel that goes under the glass base. So you get the spinning wheel on the glass base once you open it up, and then hold on, I gotta set up this one. Okay, better. Two hands now will work over here. So you get these two hands, and then move that out of the way. That's the microwave, the actual microwave. I guess it comes off like this. Ooh, nice and red. So the first glance, take it out. Let's move this out of the way. Not bad. You got your switch over here, it spins. It's not bad. Let's go ahead and put it down. There we go. That's how it looks like now. Galanz. Oh, Galanz. I don't even know how to say that. How to pronounce that. So anyways, that's how it looks like. Got some ventilation going on over here. And over here you got the I guess the knob to start. Just click it in. You got some prefixed buttons over here for, let's see, defrost with the clock right there, the power right there. I guess then we're gonna see the power, the numbers and stuff like that. Let's go around. I guess this is your manual. Over here, microwave oven, gives you all the information that you can do and put and stuff like that. You got your cord. Alright, let's see, let's go ahead and open it up and see how it looks inside. How's this open? Oh, not bad. Just gotta give it a little pull. So first thing, you open it up. This is it. That's how the inside looks right there. I guess that's the original manual right here. You get on the top. That's your wheel. So what you do is, I guess, you get this wheel, you put it on like so, and then you get your glass right here, and you put it on top of that, in between these grooves, and you have a nice sturdy base. There you have it, folks. That's the Galanz retro oven. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.